everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you guys are new to my channel, this is Sheetal Chaudhary and I welcome you all to my channel. So on every Saturday I will be posting a clothing video. It will be related to the most trending brand. So in this video I am back with the clothing haul of SSS Street Style Store, which is very trending now these days. So in the last video I have also done a similar clothing haul of SSS. In that I bought 3 tops for only $7.99, and in this one I will be showing you 3 outfits which I bought from the same brand for only $11.99. So the cost per outfit is only 400 rupees, and this time I am in love with this brand. Last time I was a little disappointed because quality of the product was not as per the expectation. I was disappointed with their quality, but this time trust me, I am in love with this brand. The quality of these all outfits is very good, the size is very good, and the cost is of course good. So I will be showing you all the 3 outfits that I bought for only $11.99 in this video. So stay tuned till the end of this video to check all the products. So this is the first outfit that I bought, and you can see it is a top with good sleeves, and I am also wearing the same top right now. I'm in love with this top. The quality of this product is so good and it is true to size. Matlab, size is absolutely perfect. So I will give a 10 out of 10 to this top. I'm in love with this. The quality, the colors, everything is perfect, and I'll show you how it looks. आप देख सकते हो पूरा पहन के कैसा लग रहा है. So trust me, this is a steal deal in 400 rupees. If you will order from any other site or Panic, ये same top आपको 800, 900, above 1000 का मिलेगा. But at SSS you are getting it only for 400. So you can of course go for this top. This is a very great deal available for only 400 rupees. Now coming on to the second outfit that I bought. So coming on to the second outfit that I bought. This is the second outfit that I bought. It is a co-ed set available in the same price, 400 rupees, and this is how it looks. So this is the top. I am little disappointed with this one. As you can see, the sleeves are so thin. मतलब जो sleeves हैं वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा पतली हैं. And the quality also of the top is not that as I expected. The material is see-through. बहुत ज़्यादा पतला कपड़ा है, and when you will wear it, the जो neck जो है वो काफ़ी broad है. So I'm little disappointed with this product only. Otherwise all the products are very good. So coming to the shorts now. These are the shorts, and the shorts are very good. You have strings at both the sides. You can tie them, you can adjust the length with the use of these strings. The quality also of these shorts is better than the top. The material is good, the elastic part is good. So everything is good with the short, but not with the top. I cannot wear the top because it is very broad neck. Skin neck काफी ज़्यादा broad है. I'll show you how it looks in the picture, how it looks after wearing. So I'm little disappointed with this product only. Except this, all the products are up to the mark. So I will give this shorts 10 out of 10, but I will give this 5 out of 10 because nothing is good in that. So this was my second product which I bought in the same price, 400 rupees, and the size of this co-ed set is small. So now coming on to the third outfit that I bought. This is the third outfit. It is a trouser, very good trouser. When I was watching it on the website, I didn't expect it कि ये इतना अच्छा आएगा, इतनी अच्छी फिटिंग आएगी. But then when it was delivered और मैंने ये पहना, the quality I can't tell you कि इसका कपड़ा कितना अच्छा है. आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा आपने कुछ पहन रखा है. The quality is very good, and the advantage is it has a lot of pockets. आप कुछ भी store कर सकते हो. It has pockets on both the side, and then it has pocket on knee, और मतलब घुटने पर भी pockets है. So it is very good material. मुझे trousers ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आते, but when it come to this, बहुत अच्छा outfit है, बहुत अच्छा trouser है. 400 रुपये में और क्या चाहिए. So I'll show you how it looks. This is how it looks, and it is high waisted. आप कोई भी crop top पहन सकते हो इसके साथ. This is a very good trouser. So I'll give it 15 out of 10, and anyways 10 out of 10. So this also I got for same price, 400, and the size is medium of this. मैंने ये medium size में order किया था. So this is a medium size. So these are the outfit that I bought from Street Style store for 1200. 3 outfit, and all the outfit are very good. The quality is very good. So you can go for all the outfit if you want to purchase it. Go for all of them. The only thing was I was a little disappointed with the top of the co-ed. So बाकी सारे product, all the remaining product are very good. So you can go for all those products. So that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Do share it with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video in which I'll be showing you the footwear of Street Style store. So that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it, do share it. So stay tuned for the next video now. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.